In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam PayPal bug. If you are running into errors when trying to check out with PayPal on Steam, don't worry, these fixes are straightforward and cover the most common causes. First, try making your purchase through a web browser like Chrome or Edge instead of the Steam desktop app. Sometimes the Steam client's built-in payment flow can hiccup, while the browser uses a more stable, up-to-date checkout. Head to the Steam website, sign into your account, and attempt the same purchase there to see if it goes through. If you are already in a browser and still stuck, clear your browser data, specifically cache and cookies. Old session data can confuse the PayPal handshake and cause looping or decline transactions. In most browsers, you can find this in settings under Privacy or History. Clear recent data, then close and reopen the browser. Keep in mind this will sign you out of websites, so have your logins ready. Next, refresh the connection between Steam and PayPal. Go to your Steam account details. Open Manage Payment Methods, remove your saved PayPal, and then add it again. This forces Steam to establish a new clean link with PayPal and replaces any expired tokens or outdated permissions. When adding, make sure the PayPal login completes in the Secure PayPal window and that you return to Steam with a confirmation. If you see multiple PayPal options at checkout, choose the standard My PayPal account option rather than any stored or quick phase select credentials. Using the regular PayPal flow ensures you are authenticating directly with PayPal, which often resolves mismatches or authorization glitches. Disable any VPN or proxy before attempting the purchase. Steam's fraud prevention systems can flag masked or mismatched locations. And PayPal may do the same. Connect directly to your normal network and temporarily turn off VPN apps, browser proxies, or privacy routing while you complete the transaction. Finally, check for any currency mismatch. Your Steam wallet currency should match the currency of the purchase shown in your cart. If you've traveled, moved, or your store region changed, Steam may try to charge in a different currency than your wallet holds, which can cause the payment to fail. Verify the currency displayed in the cart and on your account details page and align them before retrying the checkout. Work through these steps in order, testing your purchase after each one. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.